Bro, I finally found the cure for insomnia. It's called being baked.
That's not sleep. That's a knockout. Big difference.
Whatever, I'm out in 5 minutes. Faster than my Wi-Fi drops.
Yeah, but your brain's still awake, stuck in loading mode. Let's see. What happens inside the body? THC, the main active chemical in weed, can make you fall asleep faster. If your mind races before bed, it can calm things down and help you drift off.
So, basically, weed's my lullaby.
Yeah, but it's a lullaby that turns into heavy metal halfway through. Your sleep runs in stages: light, deep, and then REM sleep. That's the dream stage, when your brain repairs itself and organizes memories.
Right, that's when I dream I'm rich and successful.
THC messes with that stage. You might fall asleep fast, but your brain skips dream time. Less REM means groggier mornings, worse memory, and mood swings.
So I'm basically skipping software updates every night.
If you quit, your brain rebounds. REM comes back hard. You start having intense, vivid dreams. It's called REM rebound.
Yeah, last time I quit, my dreams had better graphics than Netflix. Wait, tell me I'm not the only one.
Yeah, drop it in the comments. Does weed actually help you sleep, or does it wreck you the next day? CBD, the non psychoactive part of cannabis, looks a bit more promising. It can lower your body temperature and ease anxiety, especially for people with stress related insomnia.
So CBD's the calm one, and THC's the troublemaker.
Exactly. But dosage matters. Too little or too much can keep you awake. And research is still early, so don't crown it a miracle cure yet. Short term, weed helps you crash faster. Long term, it messes up your deep and REM sleep, builds tolerance, and makes sleep without it even harder.
So I'm trapped between no sleep and fake sleep. Love that for me.
Smart move, take breaks, keep doses low, and don't chase better sleep with more THC. Your body needs balance, not chemical babysitting.
So the real high is a full night of natural sleep. Hit subscribe so we can ruin more of your coping mechanisms with science.
Be nice to your REM.
And your pickles. See
See you
you
next
next
time.
time.